Okay guys, so we are taking a look at Jupiter and Saturn through the 90 Mac. Now I'm going to compare it directly with an 80 millimeter, as I said, which is virtually the same. 90 Mac is equivalent to the 80 millimeter refractor, and Mac has no color. This is a ED 53 doublet glass, so it's not going to have no color. This is only a 600 millimeter focal length, and that's 1100. So the focal length of this little Mac thing is 40% longer. So of course I got to use an eyepiece that's quite a bit more power, or in millimeters lower. So for instance, a 4 millimeter might be the same as something like a 7 in here. Now that doesn't sound too high, like a 4 to a 7, but at those powers, it's a lot. It would be pretty much the same as if I had a 32 millimeter on here, probably would be like a 20 on this guy, or something like that, 18. Okay, so let's look at that. Okay, yep, and so I'm gonna move over to this guy here, and let me find this guy first, and this guy, and I'll come back to you guys in 1 second. Okay, so as I was saying, the position of the planets, or Jupiter's moons, on both of them is exactly where it was there. It's just, my suspicion is right. So in this guy, 80 millimeter refractor compared to the 90 Mac, it is brighter in this guy, and it shouldn't be. It should really be roughly the same. Let me just angle that camera a little down. Actually, sorry, a little up, so you can see my head, I guess. So it is brighter in this one. So now I know for sure the mirror on that guy was just low quality mirror, and it should be in the same brightness, that one and this one, but it's not. This refractor is just a lot brighter. Okay, maybe not a lot brighter, but I definitely can tell the difference even with my eye. So it is brighter, and it should be pretty much equal. So let's go high power on Jupiter. Oh yeah, that's much better. Okay, much better. So right now in a 4 millimeter radian, so the moons are in the exact same position as there. So it was showing it in the proper order, but the bands on Jupiter is just much more clear. I can probably see, several bands. Yeah, I can definitely see the detail is just, it's not even like a little difference. It is just like a huge difference. So lots of nice detail. Maybe at least 6 bands, 8 bands. And I believe I see the great red spot, although it's dim. Yeah, definitely see it there on the right side, top, like the top band on the right side there. Looks like a black eye type of thing. So definitely 150 power. There's no comparison. It's just, yeah, that's what you get again, guys. It's just, sometimes you just forget about being a little bit on the cheap side and saving a couple bucks. It's just sometimes better just to, just get something that's, it's been around for a while. The name brand, the name brand, I think, does speak a lot. And, obviously that's why people buy them, because they're confident that they're going to show them a proper detail. I mean, these things are pretty dim to begin with, so why make it even harder by using less quality stuff? And we're not even talking big bucks. Like an ETX 90, is really not that. On the used market, you can probably find one for about 150 to 175, I would probably say. So, I mean, it's not even expensive. It's not like the Questar that's going to be, you know, $2,000 on the used market. Okay, guys, with a 4mm radian on the Skywatcher ED, yeah, I'm getting 150 power, same as this little Mac. It was pushing with a 6.7, and there's no comparison at all. You can see Triton, easy. It's just crystal clear. So obviously I don't know, I hate to, well, I mean, I always tell you guys exactly the goods and bads. Wow, but that's nice. Very nice. See, I'm gonna, you know what, it's holding very well. I'm actually gonna push it maybe to a 3mm radian. Be back. Okay, so with a 3mm radian, that is one nice view. Let's go here. Okay. Oh my God, it's crazy. Yeah, water. Okay. Forget it. I'm not even going to bother going on that one again, guys. There's just no point. 200 power on this Skywatcher Pro, which is exactly the same optics as the EvoStar and the Black Diamond. There's virtually no difference. The only difference between the gold version, this one, and the Black Diamond is the focuser. On the Black Diamond's dual speed, and on this model, which was the model before, they only had a single speed Crayford. However, I did upgrade the focuser to a dual speed, so it's virtually the same. And the only difference between the Black Diamond to the EvoStar is the Vixen bar is green. That's it. So I'm pushed this way beyond its 50 times per inch of power, because 80mm is times 2 is 160 power, right guys? And I'm at 200, so I already blew that. I could probably even go more because the image isn't even breaking down. So it just goes to show you guys, if it's a rock steady, and I have it on an EQ5, which is holding it very steady. If you have a good quality scope, you can go easily beyond the 50 times per inch. 60 times or 70 times per inch. Just keep going till it breaks down and then back up a little bit. But yeah, this is an image that most people are going to say like, wow, I seen Saturn and it was crystal clear. The rings are amazing. It's nice and big where someone's going to enjoy it. And you can kind of glimpse the Cassini division. Have to wait till it steadies down in the air turbulence, because for sure there's air turbulence up there. You know, Saturn's not at its highest point. Last couple years and the next couple years, it's gonna be kind of low. So if it was, you know, 20 degrees higher, you definitely would see a difference. But that's okay. We can't change that, so there's no point in talking about that. Yeah, Cassini division's easy. Yeah, I could probably push it even more if I wanted to. But, okay. You know what, guys? No comparison at all. Skywatcher ED 80 just blows that guy. It's not even a question. It's just too bad I don't have something like the ETX 90. They should probably be virtually identical, very close. I don't even know what would win, really. But this one over that one, this one wins it hands down. So if you're thinking of, you know, something like a Mac or something like this one clearly wins. There's no way, two ways about it. So that's it. That's the comparison here. Hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Comment, like, subscribe. If you know any astro buddies, show them my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next time.